Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. We have studied lesson number 2, clearing in the sky. Now today we will see exercises of this lesson. So just start. You know that while reading lesson, our focus is on synonyms, MCQs, short questions, translation and punctuation. So you have to focus on all these while reading the text. So just see, at the end of the lesson some reading notes are provided to you. Here a list of difficult words is given. You can see what you have to do. You have to see the meanings of these difficult words and try to learn the synonyms of these words. Try to find out the synonyms of these words from dictionary or thesaurus. So you have to see the synonyms of these difficult words. Fine. After that exercises में सबसे पहले जो है MCQs are there. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The old man wanted to show his son. What the old man wanted to show? His farm, his land, patch of clearing, river. Yes. What was that? Patch of clearing. Right, patch of clearing. The day was. How was the day? Hot, pleasant, rainy or humid? Yes, the day was hot. How many years ago did the doctor advise the old man to take rest? How many years? 40. How many years? 40. How many children did the old man have? 3, 4, 5, 7. How many? 5. What did the old man cut with his pocket knife? A sapling, a flower, a wisp of alfalfa, a tomato. Yes, a wisp of alfalfa. In how many years did the old man improve the land? How many years? How many years he took? How many years? 30 years. Right? 30 years. What did the old man hunt for the squirrels? What did? Why? For what purpose? To sell, to kill, to pet, to cook for meal. Yes, to cook for meal. What type of special tree was found by the old man? What special tree was there? Cherry, apple, orange, coffee. Yes, coffee tree. Fine. The clearing on the top was not more than. Yes, which answer? 3/4 of an acre. 3/4 of an acre. The land was fenced by. The son, the mother, the old man, the brother of the old man. Yes, the old man. Fine. The next question. Some of the statements below are true and some are false. Mark the true or false statements. So you have to mark true or false. Though it will not be in your paper, but what you have to do, you have to focus on that true and false, because this can be there in MCQ's form. Jeff's father was a weak man. Yes, Jeff's father was a weak man? No. So it is false. The old man followed his doctor's advice all his life? Yes. Is it true? No. So it is false. The old man invited his son to take a walk up a mountain path. Yes, it is true. When the old man reached 70, he wanted to go back to farming land that had never been touched. Yes. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. It is true. 30 years labor 30 years labor of the old man proved futile. Futile means useless. So it is false statement. The old man took the easy path to go to the top. Yes. Easy path? No. Cross. So it is false. The old man took rest twice while climbing up the steep bluff. Yes, it is fine. It is true. The old man did not have trust in God. No, it is not true. It is false statement. The old man felt relieved of the fruit of his toil. So this is correct. True. True statement. The vegetables that the old man grew in his secret garden were better flavored because of the sunshine in the clearing. Yes, the vegetables that the old man grew in his secret garden were better flavored because of the sunshine in the clearing. Yes, they were of better flavor, but this was not because of sunshine. This was because of the efforts of the old man. So it is false statement. Now answer the following question. Question number 3 is answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. But there should be at least 3 to 4 sentences, I think, to answer the question. Fine. Okay, you have to find the answer of this question from the text lines. Why didn't the old man follow the advice of the doctor? The doctors advised the old man. You know that doctors advised the old man several times. What they advised? They advised him not to do any sort of work. And what was the reaction of the old man? The old man did not follow the advice of the doctors. So now here they are asking why didn't the old man follow the advice of the doctors? The old man did not follow the advice of the doctors because he wanted to smell the rich loam. He wanted to dig soil and sift it through his fingers. He wanted to raise crops and other vegetables on his farm. That was his passion, you know. So he did not follow the advice. What had the doctors told the old man? The doctors told the old man that he had to take rest. He had to take rest and enjoy rest of his life with his family members. But against their advice, he made a clearing patch and grew several crops there. Where did the old man take his son? Yes, the old man took his son to show the clean patch of land. He wanted to show his son the clean patch of land, means he wanted to show him his efforts. So he wanted his son to appreciate him, to appreciate his efforts. He wanted to show him what he had planted on the clean patch of land, and that was potatoes. That were potatoes, yams, tomatoes, and several other things he had raised there, he had grown there. Fine. So he wanted to show all these things to him. Had the son ever been there before? Yes, the son had lived his whole childhood with his parents, right? He had visited that place, that mountain top, several times in his life, but he had not visited that place for the last 3 years. What were the names of vegetables the old man grew on his farm? Okay, just recall. What were the names of the vegetables? Potatoes, yams, tomatoes. So he had grown all these vegetables there, and the taste was better. Taste was better than the crops or vegetables grown on the other lands. Why did the old man take the steep path? The old man took the steep path. The old man took the steep path because he wanted to show that he was healthy. He wanted to show his son that he was healthy. So old man took the steep path. This reminded him that he is still healthy, that he was healthy and energetic. So he felt better in this way. Why did the son at the age of 6 cry? What was the reason? Yes, when Jess was 6 years old, his father made him a little pluff, but that pluff was lost. Where that pluff was lost? In a furrow. So he cried and cried over his loss. He cried and cried. But what his father did at that time? His father made him another pluff, but the son never satisfied, never liked that new pluff. What were the feelings of the old man at the age of 70? At the age of 70, the old man wanted to return to the places he had loved so many years. He wanted to walk, to smell the dirt, to dig the soil and sift it through his fingers. He wanted to taste the yummy vegetables he had grown on his land. Fine. Why had the old man planted his secret garden? The old man wanted to refresh his memories, wanted to recall all that what he and his wife had done in the past. So he wanted to return to the places he had loved. Therefore, he planted a secret garden. Fine. Write the answers to the following question in 50 to 100 words. But you just have to see these questions from the point of view of questions of 2 or 3 marks, 2 or 3 marks, right? क्योंकि आपके पेपर में जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो क्या होंगे, 2 या 3 नंबर के होंगे, इसलिए आप इनको 3 नंबर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो है आप इन सवालों को तैयार करेंगे. फाइन. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कि 2 या 3 सेंटेंसेस आप बस ज़्यादा लिख लें, या 4 to 5 सेंटेंसेस, बस मैक्सिमम 4 to 5 सेंटेंसेस. Describe the physical appearance of the old man. You know about the old man, so you can describe the physical appearance, how he looked. Means you know that he was a thin person, ill person also. He used stick while walking, and he is of 70 years. Fine. 4 or 5 sentences. He keeps a big blue bandana with him. He is lively and energetic. How did the old man feel about the land? Yes, the old man, loved his land very much. He was very passionate about that land. He had grown many kinds of vegetables and other crops on his land, and he felt pride also, you know. What did the son remember from his childhood? Were these good memories? Yes, these were the good memories he recalled. He recalled about his bluff, means his bluff was lost. You will repeat that answer. Write the story in your own words. Okay, just you have to take pen and paper and write the story in your own words. What moral lesson does the story teach? So what was the theme of the story? That is also the moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? Means you should be passionate, you should be energetic, you should not lose hope. It teaches us the lesson of determination basically, and it tells us that physical exercise makes us healthy. Physical work basically makes us healthy. So we should involve ourselves in some kind of physical activity if we want to be healthy and energetic throughout our life. Now the correct use of verb forms. I carry a basket of dishes to mom. I had carried a basket of dishes to mom, because that is the statement of the past. Perfect tense, past perfect tense will be used here. I know how hot it was. So I knew how hot it was. I followed him. Second form will be there. I followed him down the little path. I bought this little form around here. Is that what you wanted to show me? So mostly the second form of verb, past tense, we have used because it was the story, and mostly in story writing we use past tense, except the dialogues which the characters are speaking, except these dialogues, all the verbs we use are in the past tense. Punctuate the following lines. You have to focus on the punctuation while reading. Punctuation plays very important role. We have seen that we cannot understand language unless and until we know punctuation, or we use punctuation marks while writing. So you have to use punctuation marks. This passage, or these few lines that have been given to you, these are without punctuation marks, and you have to punctuate these. Now you know that every first letter or the very first word will be capital. So here N will be capital. Now may N will be capital. After now you will put comma. You are here are, so it is contraction. After you will put apostrophe. You are coming. Here again contraction. Okay, here contraction is not mentioned. To something, sun, something, after something you have to put comma, and after sun you also have to put comma, right? Means he is addressing to his son. Now you have to put this whole statement under inverted commas, quotation marks. He said as he pushed down the top wire, so that he could cross the fence you could cross the fence. After fence you have to put full stop. This is something, so this is something, this is another statement, so you have to put T capital. This is something. After here in this sentence, after C you have to put full stop or a sign of exclamation. I want you to see means his passion is there, his energy is there, he's very passionate about that thing, that this is something I want you to see. I will be capital, and after C sign of exclamation, and you have to put this statement into inverted commas, right? Okay, this is all about today. You have to do this exercise, you have to solve this exercise, and you have to learn the meanings of difficult words, also the synonyms, MCQs, short questions, translation, and you have to focus on the use of punctuation. Fine, so this is your task for today, but don't forget to mark attendance. You have to mark attendance, right, by filling the Google form, and the link of Google form has been provided to you in the comments below this video. Fine, so you have to take that link and you have to fill the Google form for attendance, and you have to submit that. Fine, okay, thank you very much, take care, Allah Hafiz.